During the winter season, strong winds from the west, called the western disturbance, cause a light rainfall in the plain and snowfall in the mountains. They are followed by very cold weather and fog. The cold decreases as we go to the south. The coastal plains are pleasant during the winters. A major part of India remains dry during the winter months. An exception is the coast of Tamil Nadu, which gets heavy rainfall during this time. Winter is the season of apple, orange and leafy green vegetables. Okay children, see, during the winter season, strong winds from the west, that is called as western disturbances, it causes for the rainfall in the plain and snowfall in the mountains, and in this area very cold weather will be there and fog also will be there, and cold decreases when we go to the southern side, south. Okay, the coastal plains are pleasant during the winter, and in this winter season, Tamil Nadu will get heavy rainfall in this time. Okay, winter season fruits are apples, oranges, leafy green vegetables. Okay children, next let us learn about the summer. The summer season starts in March or April and continues till May or June. In South India, it starts becoming hot in March and stays hot till after May. In North India, summer starts in April and goes on till June, July. In summer, it is hot and dry in almost all parts of India except the mountains. The sun is very hot and the day are longer than nights. Hot dry winds called Lu blow in the northern plains. Dust storms are also common in the region. Southern India, which is surrounded by the sea in three sides, is less hot. The cool breeze from the sea keeps the coastal areas cool. Some areas receive heavy rainfall towards the end of the summer. In summer, we have mangoes, the king of fruit. That the summer season starts from March or else April. Okay, as you know, it starts from March and April and it continues till May or June. In South India, it starts in the March and stay hot after May also. Okay, in South India, it continue till the May. In North India, summer starts in April and till June, July, hot season will be there. In summer, it is hot and dry in almost part of India except in the mountain. Sun is very hot in summer. No, very hot. Summer, no, we feel very hot and day will be longer than the night. In summer, no, day will be longer than the night. Okay, that in this season, that dry wind that is called as Lu, that will blow from the northern plains. This Lu carries dust. Okay, that is called as dust storms. The dust storms. This storm is called as Lu. Okay, southern India, which is surrounded by sea on three sides, no, here is very less hot. Means in the southern India, no, we feel less hot. The cool breeze which will comes from the sea, no, it keeps the coastal area very cool. Some areas receives heavy rainfall towards the end of the summer. In summer, no, some areas will receive heavy rainfall. In summer, we have fruits. We will get fruits like mangoes. That mango is called as the king of fruits. Okay, next let us move to the next season, that is monsoon. Monsoon means rainy season. The monsoon season starts in June. In some parts it begins in July. The season continues till the end of October. During the rainy months, the wind blows from the Arabian Sea and Bay of Bengal towards the land. They are called monsoon winds. They carry a lot of moisture. They reach the Malabar coast in June. By the middle of the July, almost every part of the country. Many parts of India, especially the western coast and the eastern and the northern eastern states, receives heavy rainfall due to these winds. Mawsyn Ram in the Kashi Hills in Meghalaya receives the highest rainfall in India. Parts of northern plains and the southern plateau receives heavy rainfall. The Thar Desert in Rajasthan and the Ran of Kutch receives very little rainfall. The Coromandel coast receives rain in November and December. Okay. See, let us learn about the rainy season. The monsoon season starts in the month of June, and in some parts begins in the month of July, and this continues till October, June to October. Okay, during this rainy season, the winds will blow from the Arabian Sea, okay, and the Bay of Bengal. Okay, from the Bay of Bengal and Arabian Sea, that rain carrying winds, it will blow from the sea, and because of that wind we are getting monsoon season. Okay, they carry lots of moisture. They reach Malabar coast in the month of June. By the middle of the July, they reach almost all parts of the country. Many parts of India, especially western coast and the eastern coast and the northeastern states, they receive very heavy rainfall due to this wind. Mawsyn Ram in Kashi Hill and the hill that is in Meghalaya receives the highest rainfall in India. Parts of northern plain and the southern plateau they also receive heavy rainfall. The Thar Desert that is in Rajasthan, and the Ran of Kutch that receives very little rainfall. Okay, the Coromandel coast receives rain in the month of November and December. I hope all of you understood this lesson. Thank you.